We're going to go ahead and we're going to take our lithium ion battery here. This is what comes stock with Hailstorm here. And this is one of the WL Toys 900 series batteries, Lipo batteries that I picked up off of Amazon. And we're going to take it out and we're going to use my Milan GPS here. So far this has been working out pretty good for me. We're going to take that out and we're just going to see the speed difference between these two batteries. So let's go ahead and head outside. Okay, now we're out at the parking lot, and you can see right here I got it zeroed out, and we got the lithium ion battery in it. So let's go ahead and put it down. I'm going to run it real quick just to see if I got a speed. Make sure I'm hooked up with the GPS. And as you can see real quick, just that little jaunt, I went 7.3 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and run it. Looks like I need to trim it up a little. All right, I got it trimmed up again, so I'm going to make a couple more runs here. This little thing looks like it's pretty quick. Okay, bring it up here. This has got pretty good brakes here. All right, we got 18.7 miles per hour. Let's do one more run and see if we can beat that at all. And then we'll move on to the Lipo battery. Okay, it looks like the best we're going to do is 18.7. I'm going to go ahead and put the Lipo battery in now. Now you can see we got the Lipo battery in there, and I still got 18.7 max showing. Let's go ahead and do this run. Seems like it has a little more punch. All right, let's bring it back here. Now just that first run, we only went up to 19. Let's go ahead and run it some more. Got a wheelie there. All right, let's pick it up here. Now we got 19.3 with the Lipo battery. Actually didn't pick much up. Okay, let's go take it back inside and I'll give you my final thoughts on it. So now that we're back inside, once again, we'll go back over it. We ran 18.7 with the lithium ion and we ran 19.3 with the Lipo battery. I thought we would pick up a little more miles per hour. I was hoping for at least a couple more, but I guess these small Lipo batteries just didn't have it in it. Now the plus thing to the Lipo battery, if you run it with an alarm like I showed you in one of my other videos, you can get a lot longer runtime out of the Lipo battery than you can with these. And the 2-pack of these, the price on that wasn't bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave links down below to the Hailstorm, because this is a fun little truck. These little 1/18 scale high boxings, they are a lot of fun. We have fun with this in the house and outside. I'll leave a link down below to the batteries, and these do have the same hookup, so you don't have to change anything on your factory ESC. And I'll also leave you a link down below to the Milan GPS. That thing's been working pretty good for me. I really like that. Well, that's all we got for today.